Welcome to the channel. Today's topic is what is MS Office/MS Office को कैसे सीखें. MS Office, also known as Microsoft Office, is a collection of desktop productivity applications developed by Microsoft Corporation. It includes a suite of programs that are commonly used for creating, editing, and managing documents. Spreadsheets, presentations, databases, email, and other types of digital information. Spreadsheets, presentations, databases, email, and other types of digital information. The most commonly used applications in MS Office include Microsoft Word for word processing, Microsoft Excel for spreadsheets, Microsoft PowerPoint for presentations, Microsoft Access for database management, Microsoft Outlook for email and calendar management, and Microsoft OneNote for note-taking and collaboration. MS Office is widely used in business, education, and personal settings, and is available for both Windows and Mac operating systems. It is a proprietary software and requires a license to use. How can we get it to use? There are a few ways to get MS Office for use. Purchase a license. You can purchase a license for MS Office from the Microsoft website or a licensed reseller. This will give you a product key that you can use to activate the software. Subscribe to Microsoft 365. Microsoft 365 is a subscription-based service that includes access to MS Office applications and other online services such as OneDrive, Exchange, and SharePoint. You can subscribe to Microsoft 365 on the Microsoft website or through a licensed reseller. Use a free online version. Microsoft offers free online versions of some of its MS Office applications, such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. These online versions can be accessed through a web browser and offer basic functionality for creating and editing documents. Use a free alternative. There are several free alternatives to MS Office available, such as Google Docs, LibreOffice, and OpenOffice. These software suites offer similar functionality to MS Office and can be downloaded and used for free. It's important to note that some versions of MS Office may not be compatible with certain operating systems, so you should check the system requirements before purchasing or downloading the software.